I cleared 7 years of stubborn toenail fungus in less than 8 weeks. I'll explain how in a second. But first, if you've ever treated your toenail fungus, watched it fade away, and then seen it come back even worse a few weeks later, there's something happening underneath your toenails that nobody told you about. You've heard of survival of the fittest, right? It's happening underneath your toenails right now. When you apply an antifungal cream, or take a pill, or use tea tree oil, it kills some of the fungus, but not all of it. The fungus hiding deep beneath your nail, in the skin layers where creams can't reach, that survives. And here's the thing about the fungus that survives. It's the strongest fungus, the most resilient, the ones hiding in the deepest places. Now those strong, treatment-resistant fungi multiply. They spread back through the nail bed, and within weeks, you're seeing yellow and smelling that familiar odor. So what do? You hit it with another round of treatment. But now the strongest of the strong survive. Super fungus. Evolved fungus that's learned exactly where to hide to avoid whatever you throw at it. Every treatment cycle makes the surviving fungus stronger. That's why your cream worked pretty well at first, then kind of worked, then barely worked, then stopped working entirely. You haven't been killing your fungus. You've been accidentally breeding super fungus. If you want to see exactly how to stop this super fungus and finally clear it, tap below. I'm not telling you this to scare you. I'm telling you because I lived it. I fought my toenail fungus for 7 years. It started on one toe, a small yellow spot I thought would be easy to fix. I bought a cream, applied it twice a day. The yellow faded, and I thought I'd won. A month later, it was back, and now it was on 2 toes. I tried a stronger cream. It worked for a while, then it came back. Then I tried prescription pills. My doctor warned me about liver damage, but I was desperate. They made me nauseous for weeks. The fungus faded. I thought I was finally done. 4 months later, back again. Worse than ever. I tried tea tree oil, vinegar soaks, Vicks VapoRub, that blue liquid from the pharmacy, even laser treatment that cost me $600. Every time I'd see improvement, get my hopes up, and every time the fungus came back 6 to 8 weeks later, worse than before. By year 7, all 10 of my toenails were affected. Yellow, thick, crumbling, some of them lifting from the nail bed. I hadn't worn sandals in 4 summers, hadn't gotten a pedicure in years, wore socks to bed every single night so I wouldn't gross out my husband. I felt hopelessly trapped. Then I found a video by a man named Dr. Matthias Jensen, a fungal specialist with 34 years of experience. He broke down exactly what I just told you. Survival of the fittest, happening right under my toenails. He said most people with chronic fungus have accidentally created super fungus for years, just like I had, and it's not their fault. Their podiatrists never explained it, and the drugstore companies don't want them to know. They make more money when the creams stop working and people keep buying new ones. But then he showed me something different. A 1-minute sock trick that doesn't just kill surface fungus. It penetrates deep into the skin layers beneath the nail and attacks the infection at the root where the strongest fungus is hiding. It smothers all the fungus, not just the weak ones on the surface, the deep ones too, the evolved ones, the treatment-resistant ones. You do it once before bed, no prescriptions, no mess, no lifestyle changes. I started that week. Within days, my nails felt less tender. The skin around them looked less irritated. By week 2, the smell was fading. By week 4, the yellow was actually retreating. New, clearer nail growing in behind it. By week 8, I took off my socks and actually looked at my feet without cringing. That was 5 months ago. The fungus hasn't come back. I'm wearing sandals to the pool, getting pedicures, sleeping barefoot. I'm even letting my husband give me foot massages. And Dr. Jensen's method has now helped over 250,000 people eradicate stubborn toenail fungus for good. If your toenail fungus keeps coming back after treatment, if each round seems less effective than the last, if your nails look worse now than when you started treating them years ago, it's not your fault. It's a super fungus. But every week that surviving fungus gets stronger, burrows deeper, and becomes harder to kill. You can't win a war of attrition against something that's evolving to beat you. You need something that kills all of it, surface and deep, weak and strong, all at once. So tap below to watch Dr. Jensen's free video and discover the 1-minute sock trick that finally kills super fungus at the root, without prescription pills, without $600 lasers, and without the creams that have been making it worse for years. Even if you've tried everything, even if nothing has worked, even if your fungus keeps getting stronger, this works differently because it goes deeper. Stop the super fungus. Watch the free video now while it's still available.